Hey everyone, I'm back with another incredible find, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. The design? Simply stunning. It's sleek, stylish, and perfect for any space. Here's what blew me away: the price. It's budget-friendly without compromising on quality. It's also super versatile, whether you're using it at home, at work, or giving it as a gift. It's a perfect fit for any occasion. Want to know more? Check out the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome discoveries.